This morning I'm gonna go with my hostel host Ali to a mosque. It's one of the oldest mosques, I think, in Srinagar, and it's supposed to be very beautiful. Come along with us and see what it's like. Apparently I have to push to start the bike, but I can never tell whether he's joking or not, so it's hard to know. Bike ride in Kashmir. We decided to go to the Punjabi dhaba for breakfast because we both really like the really cheap lassi that they do. At this point I had done this trip to the dhaba on foot so many times, so it was really cool to do it on a bike and obviously so much quicker. I'd had food poisoning the last few days, so I was really hungry at this point because I hadn't really eaten anything. Come back to the place that I've been to like 4 times now. I'm a regular. Everything here comes really quickly. You order it, it comes like 30 seconds later.
Yesterday.
Yeah. Shukriya, shukriya. Yum yum. It's very tasty. I hope it doesn't upset my stomach. I don't think it will, but it's quite fiery. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that Ali has many great qualities, but sometimes he can be a moody so-and-so. And this was definitely one of those days. He kept making fun of me as I was trying to film. I think it's because maybe he felt awkward about being on camera, and that was his way of dealing with it. But it got much better as the day progressed. And so we went to our first mosque of the day, the Khanqah-e-Moula mosque. This is not technically actually a mosque, but a shrine to a Persian Sufi saint, Mir Sayyid Ali Hamadani, who is famous for spreading Islam in Kashmir. He also shaped the culture of Kashmir through his poems and writings and introduction of Persian crafts. All the pigeons! Very religious pigeons. Unfortunately, I was told that I couldn't film with my GoPro inside the mosque, but you can film with a phone, which is a weird rule. I don't really understand it, but for this reason, I can only show you some pictures and videos I took on my phone, which I got for about 100 quid 5 years ago, so I apologise for the quality. It's an absolutely stunning place, built in 1395. Everything is hand painted and is a beautiful example of Kashmiri wooden architecture, which blends a mix of like local Persian and Islamic influences. It's so beautiful and colourful and joyful. I don't like to like rate things as like this is the best thing I've ever seen or whatever, but it's definitely one of my favourite mosques I've ever been to. It's so unique and special. I could only film with my phone, but hopefully that does it justice, but it's beautiful. We then drove to the next mosque of the day. The Jamia Masjid is the main mosque of Srinagar. It's in Nishat, which is a bustling area of the old city full of markets and beautiful old buildings, as you can see. As we drove through the town, the call to prayer started, which was pretty atmospheric. Something I find funny about Srinagar is that there are these signs everywhere on the road saying to not honk, but everyone is honking. Nobody listens. The call to prayer, so I'm not sure whether they're going to let us in, but we're going to see. I'm also not sure if we can film. One of the distinctive features of the Jamia Masjid are its pillars. There are 378 pillars that hold up the mosque. You feel like you're in a dense forest, which is pretty cool and very fitting for Kashmir, I feel. Ali's just going to pray, so I'm going to walk around. Oh, this is beautiful. This is completely different architecture. This is also very beautiful. The gardens and The mosque is a lot plainer than the previous one, but this is also really beautiful, I think. I found it very peaceful, especially the gardens where lots of people were relaxing in the sunshine. the floor is, so I'm having to do like a weird dance while I wait. Ali wants a picture, that's why. Otherwise I would go on the grass. I think he's deliberately taking a long time. I'm going to go on the grass. I could definitely be wrong, but I think I've never been to a mosque that has like a garden with grass, because I've always been to Muslim countries which are, you know, sandy. I'm sure there are ones in Lebanon, but I didn't go to, I just went to a mosque in Beirut. It's really beautiful to have this space where you can just be peaceful. Oh, there's Ali. Oh, shukriya. Just been told by a helpful man working here that I can go in this part. So let's have a look. And I can film, so you can see as well. Is there a shop, you think, where I can buy the I Heart Kashmir t-shirt? I might have already said, I really want an I Heart Kashmir t-shirt. I think it would be cool. And I could, you know, once I'm outside of Kashmir, it's a cool thing to wear, you know, because then people are like, ooh, you've been to Kashmir. I feel like they don't do it. They're not tacky enough. Kashmir needs to be more tacky. You are. I'm tacky, yeah. Maybe this market isn't touristy enough. Need to go somewhere along Dal Lake. That'll be touristy. You tell me about a traditional Kashmiri club. Is this traditional? If you've been enjoying this video so far, please can you press the hype button? I know I always ask this every video, but it really helps my channel grow and I would really appreciate it. Shukriya! Look at these buildings! It's like Hansel and Gretel or something. Oh, it's like a fairy tale. It's all like wonky.
What's that?
The house. Oh, it's pickle. Pulava. Pulava. Oh, when you say it's a pulava, then you mean it's a... Really?
No.
So we're having this discussion because in Britain, when you say something is a pulava, you're saying it's a hassle. And then Ali was saying that pulava in Kashmir means pickle. So I don't know if there's a connection between the two. I'm not sure. If you know anything about this, please let me know. With all that talk of pickle, we were getting quite peckish. So we decided to go and get some momos for lunch. Would you say that momos are a Kashmiri thing? Ladakhi. Tibetan. No, but you know that they have momos like all along the Silk Road. Like in Afghanistan, they have the Afghani momos. In Georgia, they have kinkali, that's like exactly the same thing. He goes quiet when the camera's on him, but when the camera's off, he's like a real jerk. Haven't been able to find any vegetarian momos here, so let's have a look if they have them. Butt molo. That's it, my butt fits a winner. It was funny the first time I did it. In our quest for vegetarian momos, we went to this one restaurant which had this sign on the door saying no ladies allowed. Oh, no ladies?
No.
It says ladies are not allowed in the restaurant. Why does it have the no ladies sign up? So they don't have veg momos because nobody gets them in Kashmir. So what do you have in the momo? Mutton. Beef? Cheese?
Mutton.
Just mutton. Chicken? I've seen chicken momos. They are mutton momos because we don't have any vegetarian, but they look really good. As there were no veg momos, I just watched Ali eat his mutton ones. But I was still quite full from my aloo gobi in the morning, so it was fine. We then went to, you guessed it, another mosque. This was our last mosque of the day. Unfortunately, it was being renovated, so we could only see the outside, but it was really beautiful. What was especially beautiful is its location, which is right on Dal Lake. It's absolutely gorgeous and very serene. Is this a Shia or Sunni? Sunni. It's beautiful. Each one is so different as well. It's like all the different types of beautiful Islamic architecture that you can have. This is Taj Mahal-ish, I would say. Ish.
Baby Taj.
Yeah, baby Taj. Baby Taj. I wanted to ask, I've asked people this and they always say no, but is this green? Is this a thing in Islam? Like the green? Not this green, but there's like the kind of the light green, light turquoise. Is that a thing in Islam? He's not answering any questions. I'm just going to dub over whatever you say. Yes, it is actually a significant colour in Islam. Thank you so much for your question, Alice. But seriously, if anyone has any answer to this, please let me know in the comments. What's
Everything
this?
is meant to be on YouTube. I'll tell you after you stop it. Then you can see.
I'll just talk to myself. Oh, they're just big umbrellas. I thought they were like sculptures. Never mind. Oh, look at the lake! It's gorgeous. Must be one of the prettiest cities in the world. For our final stop of the day, Ali said that he would take me to see some Mughal gardens, which are on the other side of Dal Lake. So we hopped back on the motorbike and headed over there. Sponsored by Gulban. Kashmiri beer. It's not beer, it's like apple juice. Going to the gardens. Ali told me it was 800 to go here, so I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to go. It's not 800, it's like 100. Which one is it? Which garden is this?
Nishat.
Nishat. Oh, look at the roses. Oh, it's spectacular. Can you go in? Yeah, you can go inside. But he's inside.
It's a ghost.
The ghost of Harry. Who's the guy who built the fort? Harry something.
Harry Singh.
Harry Singh. Okay.
Harry Singh. Yeah.
It was a very hot August day, so Ali went and had a sit down under a tree and I went for a walk around the gardens. I was just saying to Ali, like, just one view is amazing. Like, if we just had the mountains, that would be amazing. We also got the lake. Oh, so beautiful. Having a cool drink. Oh, I can smell the roses from here. Oh, it smells lovely. Even the like quieter bits without all the manicured lawns and stuff. It's just, wow, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, it really feels like heaven. I wish any time I was feeling stressed I could just like come to this place. So lovely. Feels to me like, especially in Kashmir, they've taken so many different things from different cultures and then just mixed it together and made this one beautiful thing that's their own. That's just like the best of everything. It's like taking all the good flavours and then putting them together and making like a super ice cream, you know? I'd be so tempted to slide down that. It's like a Mughal water park. Like, I know I haven't been able to see all the things I wanted to see in Kashmir because obviously lots of things are closed, but oh, I'm so glad I came. It's even just with the things I've seen, it's like heaven. Oh, it's like heaven, there are puppies. They made a good choice on their home. We made a brief stop on the way back to look at carpets and other things, maybe, I don't know.
If she buys anything, I'm getting 15%.
Yeah, I think this is all.
But
You've been buttering me up all day.
I hope she buys something, I'll get my commission.
I spent some time in the shop looking at the different things they had for sale. There were some really beautiful, especially the fabrics, like really colourful and beautiful. Also some saris, which I don't think are Kashmiri, but they were still really beautiful. I ended up buying a little box. I really love these boxes. They're all really unique, and I think they'll make nice gifts for my family and friends.
Well, finally guys, I made my 15%.
Yeah, 40 rupees. It was getting towards the end of the day and Ali suggested we go to this garden for sunset. By this point he was in a much better mood, perhaps because he'd made his 40 rupees commission, I don't know. This place is so cool. The Pari Mahal, which literally means Palace of Fairies, was built by the eldest son of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It feels like you're in a video game. It's sad that that's like my biggest compliment of someone. It was built in the 1600s and over time, according to Wikipedia, it has served as a library and learning centre for astronomy and astrology. It's also been featured in a number of Bollywood movies and apparently at one point was used as a top secret interrogation centre. So yeah, this place has really seen it all. We took lots of photos and had a wander around the rest of the gardens, and then we headed back to the guest house. The next day I was invited by Rabia, Ali's sister, to a wedding, which was really cool. So I've been invited, well not really invited, I kind of asked if I could go to a Kashmiri wedding that my host Ali, his sister's gonna go to, and she says that I could come too. She lent me one of her beautiful suits, so I'm getting dressed. I don't think I can take any film at the wedding, but I will take some pictures and include them just so you can see. Yeah, I've never got dressed up like this before. This is really cool. Nice. I might buy some of these so I can blend in a bit. People will just think I'm very ill. So I've included a little bit of the video here of the wedding. It was such a special experience. It's a shame I couldn't film, but I totally understand that they wanted privacy and I was really lucky to just witness it with my eyes. But I've included some pictures without people's faces and stuff so you can get a feel for what it was like. It was really, really amazing and something that I will never forget. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I really, really appreciate it. I really appreciate your support of my channel. And if you can please hype this video and like it if you want to, that would be amazing. And see you in the next video where I explore Dal Lake a bit more and get into an interesting situation with one of the Shakara drivers? Rowers? I don't know how you say it. But thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.